Hello learners, welcome back to Learner's Galaxy. It's day 4 and today we are mastering the art of sorting and filtering data. So today's target is sorting data in ascending and descending orders and applying filters to data. So let's jump into it. First, let's create a column. We will talk about it, why we created this column later. Now, let's talk about filter tools. The filter tools let you quickly filter on the relevant data in your table. It can help you filter by text values, numbers, dates, colors, and more. Click on any heading cell and then in the Home tab, click this sort and filter and click filter here. It will create a drop down on every heading cell. Now, for example, we need only marketing team's data, so we just need to click on the drop down and click the select all. So it will remove all the filters and click on the marketing and click OK. Now you will only get the data that is related to marketing department. Like this, you can add multiple filters to multiple columns. Now to get the original table back, we just need to click on the drop down and clear filter. So this way we can get our original data back. Excel understand whether data in a column contains text, numbers, or even days and can offer customized options. For example, in the name column, I just want those names who start with specific letter A. So I'll just have to click on the drop down, then go to the text filter and begins with. Now here, I will have to put an A and then OK. Now I will just get those data whose names start with A. Now here in the text filter, there are multiple options that we can use to filter our data. So now let's understand sorting. Sorting helps to organize your data efficiently. You can sort your data in ascending, descending order if the columns contain numbers or dates. And also we can sort in A to Z and Z to A order. To sort your tables, first you should apply filtering on your range and then click sort and filter option either from the home tab or just click on the drop down and you will find the sorting options on the top. Now for example, I want the salary from lowest to highest. So I'll just go from smallest to largest. Notice how the entire table was sorted based on the salary column. When you sort your data, all columns are sorted. A very important thing to keep in mind while sorting is that it is difficult to restore the original sort order, as Excel doesn't remember what was the original sorting order. So you remember we created a column before applying filtering and sorting to the data. Now we just need to apply sorting from smallest to largest and we will get our original data back. So that's all for today. We will meet in next video with more amazing topics. Thank you.